Welcome back to the channel, gents. Let's talk about the few things that are happening around the Kaizer Chiefs. Like the video, subscribe to the channel if you are new. Gents, Kaizer Chiefs are going to be playing the Toyota Cup, and Sipho Mbule, free agent, Tshegofatso Mabasa, free agent, and we'll talk about what Jessica Motaung has said about Bafana Bafana and Kaizer Chiefs fans. So please tune in. Okay, gents, the first thing we're going to talk about is what Jessica Motaung has said about Bafana Bafana and Kaizer Chiefs fans. Uti Jessica Motaung, this is a quote: "We are very excited to be watching Bafana Bafana in their first game in the World Cup." Abuye waqhubeka wathi Kaizer Chiefs fans should keep loyalty kahle should end at club level. When it comes to national teams, we should be one. We should be supporting Bafana Bafana, and it makes sense, Bafana. You guys know, I know it's hard for you as Kaizer Chiefs fans to support Bafana Bafana because Hugo Bros has been doing the things that he has been doing, not selecting players who deserve to be Paya Bafana Bafana. What a chance! We still have a player there, Bradley Cross. If we say we are against Bafana Bafana to support Mexico, this means that if Bradley Cross we are not supporting him. So gents, let's support our Bafana Bafana because at the end of the day, this is our country. Yes, we have issues and everything, but we are Hugo Bros. So I think next season or in the upcoming years, we won't be dealing with Hugo Bros. So gents, for now, let's just support Bafana Bafana. We will deal with whatever happened with two bros after the World Cup. Yeah, I think Jessica here made a very good point. Okay, moving on to the Toyota Cup. The Toyota Cup will be played on the 26th of July at Royal Bafokeng Stadium at 3 p.m. The only thing I'm going to say as a Chief fan, the Toyota Cup, Kaizer Chiefs have to win it. We have to win it. Win this cup. This thing of last season siqalele cup and then we ended up not winning it. We lost the game. Isenze inhlekisa lonto on social media. So please just win this cup because you guys know these Pirates fans bazakhele cup and then end up bengayiwin. You know, you guys know them. So Kaizer Chiefs have to win this trophy, and just to set the tone for the next season, the Cruz has to win this one. It's going to be very promising if he wins it. It will give players the confidence as well because so we need cup and then celebrate with the fans, and then they're gonna see if there are gonna be any new players. They're gonna see okay, the fans are fully behind us, and they're gonna get confident and all that. So I don't really have much to say on Toyota Cup, but you guys can let me know your thoughts in the comments. Okay, we're moving on to Sipho Mbule being a free agent. Sipho Mbule being a free agent, Tshegofatso Mabasa as well. Let's just do it at once. Which one of these two would you guys not mind if Kaizer Chiefs ingati yabasigna since they are free agents? You guys know our team stand free agents, so let me know your thoughts on ongamthatha between these two guys. Let's talk about Mabasa first. Mabasa in that position that he's playing, is it possible for Kaizer Chiefs to sign him? We have Flavio Silva, we have Ikodaro, we have Naledi Hlongwane. I'm gonna mention him, and we also have Wandile Duba. I think we have enough strikers. Flavio Silva scored 10 goals in his first season. I think under a good coach, he can do much better. If next season Kaizer Chiefs is I think Loamjeta ngasnika 15 goals for Kaizer Chiefs. So Flavio Silva is a very good striker, and then Ikodaro nabo are still good strikers. It's just that ukewahlushwa injury kancane phakathi Kaizer Chiefs. So Khanyisa Mayo as well, I forgot to mention him. Khanyisa Mayo, there's a possibility that he might stay at Kaizer Chiefs. So I don't think we really need to sign Mabasa. Yes, he's a good striker and everything, but we don't really need him. We don't really need him, and I don't see him being better than Flavio Silva. Yes, he has won a Golden Boot. Flavio Silva, I think, also win a Golden Boot if the Kaizer Chiefs have the right midfielders behind him, feeding him and all that. Under a good coach, we might see Flavio Silva giving us more goals, and also Ikodaro, Onaledi Hlongwane nabo basidinga ithuba, no Wandile Duba as well. Kodwa kungcono Wandile Duba can play as a winger, you know. Moving on to Masterchef. Masterchef Sipho Mbule, he has beef with Kaizer Chiefs fans, as you guys know. Gutumjita called us Olam Tutu, even though Orlando Pirates fans are saying he didn't mention any team. Got a Siaz Tina, we know that he meant he meant Kaizer Chiefs when he said Lehai Gowaola Tutu. We know that, and I don't think it would be wise for Kaizer Chiefs to sign him, because bruh, I think if Mjita angadlala kabi, let's say Kaizer Chiefs imsignile adlala kabi okanye had abe ne bad form, yo, the fans who already do not like him would for him. And also there's the fact that Orlando Pirates did not they told the media that they are not going to tell anyone why they have decided to let go Sipho. And that is something that is very scary, because if we knew kuba ngcono ukuzifaka entweni oyaziyo, kodwa again, even though they didn't tell us, we can suspect, because Sipho has had issues before, and I think it's a discipline issue as well. And we have enough problems. I don't think Kaizer Chiefs should be signing a player that has discipline issues. You guys know Sipho. I don't even have to explain what are his discipline issues. You guys know them, so we better not sign him. I hope Kaizer Chiefs are not going to sign him. Yes, in that mid of the park, I think we do need we do need a couple of players there. But again, Kaizer Chiefs can do better, sign players from elsewhere. So please don't sign Sipho, in my opinion. What else are we going to talk about? Am I forgetting? Okay, indlela Orlando Pirates move ngayo, gents. Orlando Pirates are announcing players, signing players quickly. You guys remember Kaizer Chiefs last season ukuthi khona abadlale kade got their debut very late, like Onkanyiso Shinga or Ethan Chislett, who didn't play enough this season. Ethan Chislett. So boy Pirates ukuthi move kanjani, doing their things early kusenesikhathi ukuze ukuthi maqala isizini yonke into ibe smooth, every player ready to play. Kaizer Chiefs, this is how they should be moving. Yonke into ilungiswe kuse early, not this thing Kaizer Chiefs izofuna ukuyokwenza izinto egcineni sekuzovulwa league, and I think that is not good. Kaizer Chiefs should announce their players now. Whoever they are signing, they should move quickly. And this thing of the Cruz not being in South Africa, I know that the World Cup and everything, he's taking a break, everyone is chilling. I feel like he should be in South Africa already, because he's going to rebuild the team here. Kaizer Chiefs did not have a good season. We should be the ones abatatazela qala, because we are going to be in a process of rebuilding. Hey, Bafethu, another year of rebuilding. I hate this. Even Okune said, "Akayithandi le Kaizer Chiefs each and every year at rebuilding." We've been saying it for the past 10 years. We are rebuilding, still on the same position. Pirates and Mamelodi Sundowns are on another level. Tina sihleli ku level 1. I hope Kaizer Chiefs will do better this season, and I hope Fernando da Cruz will win us some trophies. In the next expectations is high, but I hope he will do well. Also, he can't the foundation and then Kaizer Chiefs will play good football. Like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know your thoughts in the comments. I'll see you on the next one.